Every Cyberpunk shoot I've done has had a different personality. This one, straight fire. Model and streamer Kathleen Birner, aka King Kathy, pulled up with final boss energy to create cover art for a video game that doesn't exist.
We're back at Metro Room 1. It's going to be a good shoot, doing another cyberpunk theme. FD Photo Studio has fantastic rooms, and this is one of the locations. And I think you are going to like it, and I'm going to like what I'm going to shoot. Got my Brandon Barron neon shirt. Cool vibes only. Let's match the lights to the shirt. The only downside of setting up the tunnel lights and the wall lights is that it takes forever. But that's the way, it's the nature of the beast. And now color has been fixed. In the tunnel, I'm gonna go with a blue color scheme. All set up, waiting for Kat to show up.
Once Kat walks in, we catch up and discuss all the ideas for the shoot. I've shot with Kat for years. Specifically, I've worked with her on Harley Davidson apparel catalog shoots, but we've always been able to work on creative themes as well. She's been wanting to create some cool futuristic imagery for herself, so we both agreed cyberpunk be a cool theme. At some point, we weren't even just shooting. We were dancing, laughing, and vibing. That kind of energy makes for a fun shoot and helps the posing not look stiff. We mix up the looks, neon eyewear, a hooded top, a chrome jaw piece, all that match with her dress that sprinkled sex appeal and badass into one. Cyberpunk with her flavor. We shot in the lit up tunnel, in front of the neon wall, and finished with a couple photos with a motorcycle that was in the studio that reminded me of Akira, only because of the theme. Another one in the books, and I gotta say, this Cyberpunk series keeps evolving. Kat brought the attitude and a little chaotic energy in the best way possible. That's what I love about building this out. Same studio, same theme, different characters. It becomes a new vision and a new world every time. And if you're interested in the cool vibes only t-shirt that I wore in the video, head over to the Brandon Barron website and you can buy your own. The link is in the description. Have a project you want Brandon Barron to work on? Please contact. Make sure you like and subscribe, and as always, I'll catch you next time.